How to create project catalog in Upwork. Hey hustlers, today I'm going to teach you how to create a project catalog in Upwork. If you are new to Upwork and this is the first time you are hearing this is the right video for you. And if you are interested to know more, keep on watching. For those who are new here, welcome to my channel. I am Cliff and I create Upwork tutorial videos and other online jobs or work from home jobs topic. If you are interested on this topic and you want to learn how to work online, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified once I upload new videos. Okay, now so let's talk about project catalog. What is project catalog? According to Upwork, project catalog lets you set the scope, timeline, and price so the client can come to you. What are the advantages of project catalog? Number 1, spend more time on projects you love. What is great about creating a project catalog is that you can spend more time on the projects you love because you are the one who created the project. It means that it is something you can do, willing to do, and love to do. Number 2 is that you can spend less time finding jobs. Another great thing about this is it helps you find jobs because the clients are the one coming for you. Number 3, you can define the scope, timeline, and price. You are in control and you will work based on the scope you provided in the project, and the client will follow the amount you like. Once the client comes to you, that means that they are agreeing with your term. Lastly, you don't need connects to do this. So when you are running out of connects, you can take advantage of creating a project catalog. If you are wondering what is Connects or Upwork Connects, you can check out my video, Ano ang Upwork Connects. Now let's get started with the tutorial. First, log into your Upwork account, then go to your project dashboard, click on Create a Project. If you don't have any idea what to do with your project catalog, you can get an inspiration to other projects. To do that, click on Project on Upworks at the right side. Here you can see several projects: backlinking, Instagram followers, video editing, WordPress website development, and so on. To be specific, you can search for similar project you are going to do. Example is writing job. Here you can see different kinds of writing job, how they add the title, do the thumbnail, their price. You can click on it to see more. Now let's jump on the project. Add title. There are examples at the bottom. Okay, then do you want to work as a team or as a freelancer? Then you can add category so clients can easily search for this project. Categories and other options here depends on your niche or your project. This is just an example for writing job. What is great is you can choose a topic that you know. Example is lifestyle, fitness, music, travel, and home garden. You can choose 5 if you like. You can also choose the language, tone, and article type. Tags are optional, but you need to add them if you want to get searched easily. Just type your keywords and options will be shown. Click Save and Continue. Here is for the pricing. You can add custom title and description, but if you like, you can also remove them. You can add 3 tires if you want. So delivery days, number of revisions. Again, this is different for different jobs. This is only an example for writing jobs. You can see several options here. It's totally up to you what is reasonable. Then you can add the project price. You can also do add-ons if you like. If you don't click on Save and Continue. You can add images. It can be your project cover, but if your job is graphic designer or something like that, you can add up to 20 images. You can also add video and sample documents. Once you're done, click on Continue. You can add requirement of what you need from your client. The answer can be on free text, multiple choice, or an attachment. So I prefer free text here. You can click on mandatory requirement if it is mandatory for you. Next is project summary. Add project steps. There is an example on the side. Basically, just add the basic steps that you will do once you get started with the project. Save and continue. Maximum number of projects that you can handle. Check the terms of service and privacy notice. Then your project is ready to get reviewed. Once done, you can see the project you've done on your dashboard. You can preview, edit, and delete. You can preview and check for revisions. Okay, that's it. I hope that you've learned something today. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have more questions or if you want more tutorials, comment below. Thanks for watching.